Welcome to CheckouttheRileys. Today we're gonna have a walk in Tnalak Festival. Yes. Here we are. This time the camera is facing us. See, Dorteo had the organic dirty ice cream. It's color black and pink. Yeah, he said he likes it, so and as you can see, there's lots of people around. Look, and we have a very nice balloon. So while we're walking, look at this. Okay, no personal space, everyone. But well, this is what it is. Be happy. So we're walking around close to the bahay kubo, the huts. So you can see there's lots of lights, too bright, but yeah, still walking. This is like our third time. So I told Torteo to like, hey, let's pretend to run. Yeah, but of course not. We just had to walk. So a lot of people from different towns come and visit and walk and have dinner here. Like after work, they come. And the schedules, they have lots of schedules, competitions from different towns. And tonight, our competition would be dancing. Yeah, dancing. But we weren't there. We were not there because we're just walking, having dinner. Yeah. I do remember Bam came and walked with us. I don't think we'll last so long, but yeah. So look, we have selfie. Those balloons are for free to take a photo. But it costs $2 each. Yep. So look how close the guy is, the kids, everybody close. It's okay. As long as you're safe, nobody's pushing. Yep. We had a great time. We had dinner. Look at those kubo huts behind us. Oh, it is so beautiful. Beautiful. And we have some more to show to you. But this time it's not with our face. This one is like a living proof that we are in Tnalak Festival walking. Thank you for watching. More videos to come, so please like, subscribe, and get notified.